Which somatic movement is the best for releasing chronic tension and pain from the area of my lower back down to my tailbone? I do arch and flatten, and yet sometimes that area flares up instead of relaxes and releases. What am I doing? Well, my answer to this person is that it's probably not arch and flatten as a movement that is the problem. It's the way in which you're doing the movement. There are a couple of common things that we see when people learn this movement on their own. So let me show you how to work with them. So I'm going to show you what you might be doing when you do arch and flatten that could be contributing to a little bit of tension and discomfort in your lower back and tailbone. Remember that arch and flatten should create comfort and ease rather than tension and discomfort. It's not the movement itself that is problematic. It could be how you're doing it that is creating the challenge. Here's the first thing we see that a lot of people do. They simply work too hard. It looks like this.